uh, Welcome to the tutorial. So here you can see I have this RAR file on my computer, but when I am trying to extract this, but I am facing some errors. So here, let's extract them. Okay, so here you can see, let's extract them. So here as you can see a computer showing us some errors. Here you can see and on an error. When we are try again, we are getting again and again, we cannot uh, extract our file, and our file cannot extract with this. So for this you need a software. Okay, so let's go to Google now. Search here, simply type WinRAR. Okay, and now go to this website and download this computer software on your computer. So you can buy this, but I am downloading a free version. You can buy, but I just download free version. So I already have this installed on my computer. I don't need to download and install. I already have. So let's go to computer now. Here you can see, now click here, and here you can see we are simply extracting from here, but this time we need to extract with WinRAR. Now click here and click on extract file on this option, and extract. Okay, so here you can see the file is extracting. It will take time. It depends on the file how it's long. So here you can see our file is extract, and here you can see the folder is uh, created, RAR file is extracted. So how we can use this file? So that's so easy. Here you can see all of our file is extract. So now simply download this software from the uh, Google, and you can extract your file easily. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how you can extract your file easily without any error.